Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tony Holowitz from the John Anthony Group, and I want to thank you for being here today. Every now and again, I come across a product that I think is really good, and I want to tell you about a product that I've just come across called Template Phrases for Outlook. This is a product that works with Microsoft Outlook. It works with version 2000, 2003, and 2007. What this product does is it makes working with email, in my opinion, a lot easier. And I think email is one of those things that we all can spend a lot of time on. So I just want to introduce you to this because I think it's well worth the money. It's $30 approximately. They give discounts if you buy more than one copy. But I think it can easily come back to you with the time you'll save and the way you can use it. Let me illustrate. As you can see on my screen, I have an outline of an email that specifically talks about template phrases. And this is something that I might want to send out more than once. So you'll notice I have a subject, and in the body I have a greeting message about the software. Well, if I want to send this out more than once, yeah, Outlook has some ways I can copy this and then put it in the email, but I find it's a little awkward. There's some pros and cons to that. What this product does is fantastic, and let me show you how it works. The first thing I'm going to do is, what I really like about the product is it allows me to work with the subject. So what I'm going to do is, you'll notice the subject that I have, I'm going to copy this by going Control C. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all the text. Forget for a moment that I had copied the subject. I'm just doing that to save me a step, but forget about that for just a moment. What I want to draw your attention to is the fact that I have copied or highlighted the text or the body of the email that I intended to send. I'm now going to come over to the right hand side, and this is template phrases for Outlook. What I'm going to do is come up to the top in this little white sheet where it says create a new template. I'm going to click on that, and when I click on that, it has taken the body of what I had highlighted and put it in the body here. Now, up top, I can give this template a name, and I'm just going to call it Able Bits because that's descriptive enough. Down in the body of the email, this software gives you the ability to insert a macro, and I don't want to confuse you with this, but I want to show you the one that I use all the time. It is the fill subject, and I clicked on it, and then right here to the right of it, I'm going to paste what I had copied in the subject. Tony Holowitz Template Phrases for Outlook. And I'm going to click OK. And now I'm done. So what would have happened is I'm going to send this email out because it's the original email, but then I'm going to start a second email. And I want to show you how easy it is. Let's say that the next person wants to get some information on that. Well, I'm going to go up and click on New. Over on the right hand side, I have folders in which I can organize my emails. In this particular case, I believe I put the Able Bits in the ACT folder. Yep, there it is. So if the next person that I want to email about Able Bits, all I've got to do is double click on this, and it fills in the subject and the body of the email. The only thing I've got left to do is decide who I want to send it to. So for a moment, think about all the ways you reply back to people, all the emails you send, maybe to a new customer or a prospect or just some follow-up email. Think of all the ways you can simplify that process and with a couple clicks get the email out and do follow-up. What I really like about this is you can get the grammar, the spelling, everything you want in that email to be perfect and save it and use it over and over again. So as you start thinking about this, I think you'll think of a bunch of different templates you can create for keeping in touch with your clientele or your prospects. It's a great product. Give it a try. They have a 15-day free trial, and I highly recommend it. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much.